Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys an updated knotless twist tutorial. So the first thing I do is I take my hair and I'm going to apply some gel to it, and then I divide it in half in sort of like a diagonal section. You're going to grab the braiding hair and match it up to your real hair. The piece that is farthest away from my face, I'm going to twist it down towards my face, towards me. And the piece opposite from that, I'm going to go ahead and just cross it over, making sure that my real hair is the one showing, just like in the video. I hope that makes sense. Crossing your hair over and then twisting just makes it look like it's actually growing out of your hair. This is how I've been doing it, and it looks a lot more natural in my opinion. I of course make sure that I do it tight enough where it's not gonna like unravel. And once you got that piece crossed over, all you're gonna do is twist both pieces the opposite way. Explaining it might be a little confusing than watching it and actually practicing it on your own and doing it. And as you can see here, I'm twisting them the opposite way. I'm gonna do that all the way till I get to the end of the twist. I add a little bit of gel in between just to keep my hair laid inside this twist. Once I'm done, I always like dip it into hot water, and it always helps to seal the hair. It's actually like the easiest thing. Once you start it, you get a workflow where you're gonna be able to do the rest of your twists no problem. I hope this video made sense. Feel free to rewind if you need to. That is all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.